Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 225 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Ulta Beauty Metallic Cream Eyeshadow, which I recently picked up from Ulta in the shade Pretty in Pink. I basically had to buy it for that name because I love pink, but this also looks like a super pretty shade that's pretty wearable for most occasions. But so this retails for $8.50 and it comes in 7 different shades. And it's paraben free. But what I think sounds really cool about this product is that it's a 2-in-1, so it's a primer and a metallic eyeshadow in one. So it's waterproof and it's supposed to be creaseless and smudge proof. Two things that I really like: metallic makeup and cream eyeshadows. I love a cream eyeshadow because I feel like they're extra pigmented and they're so much easier to apply sometimes because you don't have that mess and that fallout. I've loved metallic makeup for a while now, like a metallic lip, a highlighter, a metallic eye. I think it's so pretty. I love the sheen and the sparkle of it. Oh wow, this is an interesting shaped applicator. I've never really seen any applicator this shape. It's like a pointy arrow shape. Now let's see how it swatches. Oh my gosh, the sheen on this is so pretty, and it does look more pink now that I've swatched it than it actually looks in that bottle. I definitely want to use this as an all over lid shade. I'm sure normally when I were to use this I would do like a crease transition shade, but today I'm just going to apply this. I have no other eyeshadow on my eyes. I didn't even prime, but we'll be able to see if that 2-in-1 primer really works. I was going to apply this with my finger, but then as I was using this applicator, I was like, wow, this is so easy to apply with and very precise. This is awesome. So I have one layer on right now, and it's not a fully opaque color, so I'm going to go in with another layer. Oh wow, this is definitely buildable to that full pigmented color. It looks so foiled. So while I let that dry on my eye, I just want to see. Oh yeah. So it really is smudge proof. It's not even fading as I'm rubbing at it. That's pretty. It did kind of transfer to my finger though just now, but it's not like I'm going to be rubbing at my eye. I just wanted to see if it really was smudge proof. But I think that this is so pretty. It's so metallic, so bright and shiny with that glow sheen, and it applies so easily without the mess. And I think that 2-in-1 primer really is great because it does go on with great color, and I'm not having that creasing, and creasing is definitely an issue for my eyelids. I have a lot of like wrinkles in my eyelids, so it's really important to me when I have an eyeshadow that's not going to crease because the creasing can just really ruin my makeup look. So I'm definitely going to incorporate this with other makeup looks. I think that it's so pretty. I think it's so perfect to add that like light catching shine to the eyeshadow look and draw the attention to your eyes. So yeah, I think this is another very fun metallic makeup product. Ulta Beauty makes some great metallic products in my opinion. And I love how comfortable this is. It doesn't even feel like I have anything on my eye. It doesn't feel crusty or thick or anything like that, so I really appreciate this formula. Let me know in the comments down below your favorite way to wear metallic makeup. I love it on my lips and I love it on my eyes, so I'd love to know your favorite way. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.